Okay. Hi. So, ano naman yung ano mo dyan? Pangalan ng outfit na yan?
Upbeat.
Upbeat. Spell upbeat.
Upbeat. Ano?
Ah. Lalabas to sa vlog, right? Ayusin mo.
Ayusin mo.
Okay, guys. Ito yung hallway nila. At kami ay lalabas na. Ready ka na ba, girl? Let's go. Let's GGG. Yung susi. Oh. Okay. Oh. Takpan natin yung susi. Takpan natin yung susi. So, yun na. Papunta na kami sa baba. At kami ay lalabas na sa unang araw ng aming Taiwan Moments. Kaya guys, tara na. Everyone, lakad na tayo. Saan tayo pupunta? Hindi natin alam kung saan tayo pupunta. Lalakad na tayo. Welcome to Taiwan! So, andito tayo sa may Ximending. Ay! Hey guys, look. Sarap. Sarap.
Medyo clean lang naman na. Maganda yung texture na. Punta natin yung pinanood natin, yung kumain siya sa loob ng building. Sarap.
Sarap.
Ayaw ko to. Patience to this one.
Una na ako kumain. Kuya, gusto mo tikman? Very clean. We are here now, guys. Punta tayo sa substation. Subway! Wow! Yun na yun, guys. So, this is our second time. So, let's go, guys. More on lakad tayo dito. Ha? Diyan na? Okay, huwag tayo gamit ng lahagdan.
I know. A train.
We are in subway. At naglalakad tayo, guys. Papunta doon sa subway. Nalala ko yung unang time ko. Napakaganda. Isa lang? Saan tayo? Dito tayo, guys. We are here at Banan. Hi!
Sama na Japan!
Japan! Okay.
Oh, wait natin guys. Guys. It's closing. Ayan. Alright. We're going out.
Jump into the car on a Friday night. I wanna drive with you. Looking for a bar in the nearest town. I've never seen a sky so blue. We don't ever play it and the night is young. It doesn't matter what we do. There ain't nobody like. There ain't nobody like. You look so beautiful. And I'm so lucky to be yours. And you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you. I'm not coming down. Ain't nobody like you. I could go 1,000 miles as long as I'm with you. Yeah, you're taking me high.
Tignan nyo, ang daming pwedeng puntahan dito guys. At may mga iba na napuntahan na kami dito. Tulad nito, napunta natin ang Blue Light. Exit na! Okay guys. Punta tayo sa... May saan tayo punta? Lalabas tayo ng station. Punta tayo sa isang malawak na... Okay guys. Pakita ko sa inyo guys. 1, 2, 3. So guys, kita nyo naman yan kung gaano kaganda yung station nila. So good. So yan.
Jump into the car on a Friday night. I wanna drive with you. Looking for a bar in the nearest town. I've never seen a sky so blue. And you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you. I'm not coming down. Ain't nobody.
Hey guys, dapat pupunta tayo ng zoo. Pero hindi nantuloy kasi late na kami ng dating. Kaya, isa na naman, mag-tour bus na lang kami. Hop on bus. Taas, taas. Taas, guys. Dito kami sa taas.
Here is the fifth generation of the station. These are Alberta Railway, high-speed rail, Metro Taoyuan and MRT airport line, and Taipei Metro systems. In Taiwan, and boasts the largest traffic volume with hundreds of thousands of people stepping through its doors every day. It offers a diverse and friendly environment. Delicacies, all of which make excellent gifts. Also available are reasonably priced tasty box lunches with a pork chop meal a favorite. On the second floor,
You look so beautiful. And I'm so lucky to be yours. And you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you. I'm not coming down. Ain't nobody like you. I could go 1,000 miles as long as I'm with you. Yeah, you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you. Talking about yourself and you make me smile. I can listen
So, dito tayo pupunta sa isang temple. It's a historical temple. So, let's see you guys. Okay, ayan sila guys. Saya-saya nila. Kaya guys, kahit second time ko sa temple na to, ang ganda-ganda pa rin tignan. Hey guys, andito tayo ngayon sa... Saan tayo ngayon? Saan tayo ngayon guys? Ay wow, lupet. Nasapa na daw po tayo.
You don't know that I'm lost without you. I'm known without you. I hope I can show what you mean to me, 'cause I don't know what to do if you go. Ooh, I just don't know what to do if you go.
Guys, may duck doon, no? Tingnan nyo, ang cute. Tingnan nyo. Ligay dito, ligay dito. Cute nila. Nakabalik din tayo, pangalawang beses namin dito, pero ang ganda pa rin. Tingnan nyo. May swan. Ang laki ng tilapia. Ayan. Ang laki ng tilapia.
Is that tilapia? I think that's not tilapia.
Ganyan siya kalaki, oh. I like tilapia.
Tilapia yan?
Ayan, oh, tingnan mo.
Hindi, may tawag dyan eh. Tilapia.
Busog.
Heartbreak gonna pay off someday, and the pain that you're feeling gradually fades away.
Go. Hindi ko alam kung tilapia to. Ano bang tawag dito sa tingin nyo? Sige nga, comment down below. Kasi kakaiba siya eh. Para siyang bangus na tilapia. Sobrang laki niya. Tuna? Tunang tilapia. Ganda. Parang ang amo nila nung nilalapit, hindi sila natatakot. O mabigat lang talaga sila.
All of those late nights on your couch when we just talked until midnight. I just wish I could freeze this moment, babe. Weeks and months and years they passed, and I knew it wouldn't last. When tears streamed down my face, my mama said, all the nights that end in heartbreak gonna pay off someday.
Naman tayo sa temple. Pwede na ba kayo makita ang temple?
Pwede na ba kayo umakyat?
Wait lang, meron tayong interview yung isang person dito. Pwede ko ba kayo ma-interview na? Matagal na po ba kayo dito, ma'am?
10 years na. Ano ba masasabi niyo sa Taiwan? Awesome. Bakit ang ganda mo, oh?
Ang beauty niya dito, oh. Kala mo, ibang tao.
Kala mo yung titaga-irang, oh.
I wish I had a little more time with you, baby.
Sa ganitong pagkakataon, binibigyan talaga tayo ng Panginoon ng mga ganitong klaseng event sa buhay natin. Katulad na lang ng pagkakakilala sa iba't ibang mga kaibigan. Itong mga kaibigan ko na to, kahit bata, kahit teenager. At syempre, kasing edad mo, andyan dyan sila para magbigay handog ng kasiyahan sa buhay mo. Kaya naman, sa mga ganitong pagkakataon, gusto kong sulitin yung bawat halakhak, yung bawat saya, na kasama sila.
Growing up, falling in love, giving your all might not be enough. Just trust your head and your heart. That's what my mama said. I wish I could freeze this moment, just never let it end. Walking through the snow when you're taking.
Hi guys! So, bibenta ko si Kuya.
Sarap
Ay,
ang hangin dito.
Anong lasa? Uy. Ay, nako, sarap. The best place. Ng tang.
Wow!
Morning has broken, my windows are open. Wanna feel the wind blow through my hair. Which way do I follow? What happens tomorrow? I turn to you and hope you can guide the way. Sometimes I give up, just wanna be on my own. Even in the darkest times, you give me hope. So I lean on you when I've lost my way. I keep holding on for a better day. I lean on you when the world's astray. I left my heart open so you hear my prayer. I left my heart open so you hear my prayer. In times that are changing and when hope is fading, I know I can turn to your embrace. 'Cause there's so much beauty under your heaven, and I'm grateful every day. Sometimes I give up, just wanna be on my own. Even in the darkest times, you give me hope.
So, we finally made it, everyone! Hindi na tayo.
When I've lost my way, I keep holding
Yeah.
on for a better day. I lean
What a wonderful view!
I left my heart open so you hear my prayer. I left my heart open so you hear my prayer.
Para lang mag-approach, guys. Pero malamig talaga dito para biya. Yan, pagkatapos lang natin dyan sa taas, isaya dyan. Labas yung lockdown natin dyan. Yan namang ano tayo. Good for the go lang tayo.
So you hear my prayer.
Let's go to Taiwan 101, guys! Hindi, joke lang. Taipei pala. Hi, everyone. So, dito tayo ngayon sa Taipei 101. At tayo ay kakain ng lunch. Kasama ang ibang mga kasama ko, syempre. At magmumukbang na naman tayo kasi hindi pa tayo makain. Okay, see you. So, yan guys. Ang sarap ng pagkain na to. Grabe. Sige, higop pa tayo ng sabaw. Tapos, ang mangyayari niyan, ay kakain tayo ng xiaolongbao. Sige nga, kain nga. Sige. Yan, pinapakita ko sa camera ang xiaolongbao. Masarap yan. Okay, kakain tayo ha. Kain lang tayo. Sarap. Nyam. Yan talaga ang the best sa pagkain. Next ay gulay. Syempre, pampa-healthy. Ano pa ang pwedeng tikman? Sabaw. Sarap din yan, mga guys. O, hipon. Next. Ewan ko to. Squid balls. Mahirap nga lang nguyain, pero kainin natin.